Bicarbonate of soda is safe for use in cooking, and it is a necessity in many baking operations. But many people don't know how to use it for cleaning or laundry. As many people and families are switching to greener and eco-friendlier practices to save energy and the environment, green cleaners like baking soda and white vinegar have become popular. It's not just that they work to tackle stains, germs, and odor effectively. You get a multi-purpose household ingredient that works wonders. From its use in cleaning and unclogging drains to the ability to remove stains from stainless steel surfaces, you can find many safe ways to use baking soda for cleaning around the house. And if you are not aware, baking soda could also help supercharge your laundry routine, especially if you need an alternative to chemical detergents and fabric softeners. If you are just joining us for the first time, you want to make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can learn all the safest and stress-free tips and tricks to a germ-free home. Now let's get right into the gist of the day. 7 of the best ways to use baking soda for laundry. Number 1. Treat stains with baking soda. While you may already know a few ways to use baking soda in wiping the counters and floors at home, it could also come handy for removing stains from clothes. Heavily soiled clothes could be a big problem when it comes to doing the laundry. And if you do have some stubborn oil stains or wine spills on your clothing, you can get them out with baking soda before washing them. The mild abrasive properties of baking soda make it possible to break down stains and remove dirt from fabrics. You will need to perform a spot treatment with the baking soda to help lift off the stain. Start by exposing the stained area and using a towel inside the fabric to protect other parts of the cloth. Sprinkle some baking soda on the stain and pour some white vinegar to help boost the stain removal property. Use a brush or paper towel to blot out the stain gently before washing the cloth with detergent. Number 2. Use baking soda to increase washing power. While you do need laundry detergents to help with the washing, adding a cup of baking soda to the wash could also help make for more washing action. As a mild abrasive, baking soda penetrates stains on household surfaces and fabrics with ease. For days when you have a lot of dirty clothes to wash, you can soak them in baking soda and water for 30 minutes before hand washing. You could also add a cup or 2 to the washing machine when you have a full load. Number 3. Baking soda is a natural fabric brightener. Another way you can find baking soda to be useful in the laundry is for brightening fabrics. While you can make use of hydrogen peroxide instead of bleach to wash white clothes and linens, you can also sprinkle some baking soda inside the wash for brighter looking clothes. The fabric softening action of the baking soda helps to increase the whitening power also when used in washing bright colored clothes. Just add a cup of baking soda to the laundry for brighter looking clothes. Number 4. Baking soda is a natural fabric softener. The abrasive nature of the bicarbonate of soda allows it to soften fabrics by neutralizing the pH of the water. The resulting reaction helps to loosen grime and dirt from the fabric, making it easy to come off in a wash. Add a cup of baking soda to the wash load for when you use the washing machine, or add it to the wash water when you hand wash clothes. Number 5. Remove odor from laundry with baking soda. If you don't like scented detergents and fabric softeners, baking soda could work for when you want fresh-smelling laundry without the hint of chemicals. The ability of the bicarbonate of soda to create a neutral environment when it comes in contact with acids in the water helps in neutralizing laundry odor. You can add a cup or 2 to the wash or soak the laundry overnight in baking soda to tackle the strong fabric smell. Number 6. Sanitize the washing machine and dryer with baking soda. You want to make it a habit of cleaning the washing machine and dryer regularly. And you could make do with baking soda and white vinegar to sanitize a smelly washing machine. Sprinkle the baking soda inside the washing machine or tumbler and ensures it gets around. Pour a cup of white vinegar inside and use a sponge to clean the machine thoroughly. Rinse out with clean water and dry with a microfiber cleaning cloth. Number 7. Reduce dependence on laundry detergents and fabric softeners. With green cleaners like lemon juice and baking soda, you get a readily available cleaning supply that is safe to use around the house. The fact that it works well on stains and helps to soften fabric, among other benefits, earns it a top spot on most laundry shelves. The best part is that if you use baking soda a lot around the house, you know that it is affordable and within reach. This means that you could save some money by choosing to hold off on buying laundry detergent and fabric softeners. If you haven't already checked out our video on unbelievable ways to use baking soda for household cleaning, Do make sure to follow the link in the description and hit that subscribe button to learn more about safest ways to clean and organize the home.